Hello dear students, hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2, organizing your work. I am using hands-on book of DAV publication. After completion of this video, you will be able to identify different types of file on the basis of their extension, differentiate between files and folders, appreciate the need of keeping information organized with the help of files and folder. So let's get started. My first question is, what is a desktop? Dear students, the first screen that appears when you switch on your computer system that contains icon is called desktop. Desktop is the screen that appears when you start or switch on your computer. This is desktop. The blue screen that is visible in this picture is known as desktop. Now desktop contains icons. Now what are icons? The question arises, what does it mean? Icon means small pictures that represent file, folders and other items. On the desktop, we have a long horizontal bar at the bottom. This is known as task bar. On task bar, we have a start button which is present at the bottom left corner of the task bar. So when we turn on our computer, we will be able to see desktop on which graphical pictures are available. These are called icons, and the long horizontal bar which is present at the bottom of the desktop is taskbar, and a button that is present at the bottom left corner of the taskbar is called start button. Now let's discuss about file. When we save our work on hard drive, it becomes a file. A file may be Word, write a document, text painting, a presentation or any other document in our computer system. A file has two important features. One is, the very first is, every file has a name which is given by the user, and second is the extension which cannot be changed. For example, if you look at your name, you will find that it has two parts. First part is your name, like Sonia Sharma. Your name has two parts. First is your first name, which is given by your parents and which can be changed if you wish to. While second part is your surname, which we cannot change. Same with the file. File has two parts. One is file name and another is extension. File name and extension name. File name and extension name is separated by a dot. Okay, so every file is given its name like this. It has two parts. One is the name which is given by the user, and second is the extension which we cannot change. Like here, extension name. The part of the file given after dot is called extension. Every application has its different extension. Like if you are working on Word document, its extension will be .doc. If you are working on writer document, means if you are working on Open Office Writer, then the extension will be .odt, and if you are working on Notepad, then the extension will be .txt. It means if you are working on Notepad and if you save your file with the name my first file, then automatically it will be saved by .txt after the name that you have given. This is the way in which we can save our file. It is given by the user and it is added with the file name by default. Next we have folder. A folder is a way to organize computer files. A folder is a storage space where many files can be placed into group and organize the computer. A folder can contain another folder. Students, a folder can be compared to the container or a plastic folder. जो नॉर्मली हमारे घर में प्लास्टिक फ़ोल्डर यूज़ होते हैं, हम उनसे कंप्यूटर फ़ोल्डर्स को कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि हम अपने प्लास्टिक फ़ोल्डर्स में वी यूजुअली स्टोर our important paper documents in plastic folders. Similarly, a folder may contain one or many files in a folder. A folder is not a file, but it contains several files. In addition, a folder can also contain another folder. एक folder अपने अंदर एक और फोल्डर को ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकता है और ये करना बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि अगर डेस्कटॉप पे आप बहुत सारी फाइल्स बना के छोड़ दोगे तो आपको अपनी फ़ाइल को ढूंढना और उस पर काम करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, एक फ़ोल्डर बना सकते हैं और इस फ़ोल्डर के अंदर ही अपनी सारी फाइल्स डाल सकते हैं ताकि आपका डेस्कटॉप फ्री रहे, वर्क करना इजी रहे और फाइल को रिट्राइव करना इजी रहे. रिट्राइव मीन्स यू कैन इजीली वर्क बैक ऑन योर फाइल. This is the symbol of folder. This is all for today's class. Your computer teacher Sonia Sharma signing off. Thanks for watching.